We're here with North Central College head coach Jim Kolawiak as North Central beats Central College by a final score of 5-0 in the opening round of the Division III Regionals in Pella. Coach, what are your thoughts on your team's performance and victory today?
I was very pleased with it. I thought they played very well in all phases of the game, and I thought they were very solid from the first out all the way to the last out.
How important is it in a ball game like this? You got off to a very good start, the run in the top of the first inning, to get a little momentum going.
It is important to try to jump on someone, and it's something that we've actually struggled with for about 3 weeks now.
The end of the season wasn't so kind as far as wins and losses. How were you able to put that behind you and come out with a very good performance today?
Well, I'm not going to say it was easy. We really had to talk a lot about it this week, and we had to gear their practices toward things we needed to work on with certain objectives in mind, and I thought they did a good job responding today.
Can you give us a little look ahead to Washington University in round 2 for you tomorrow?
You know, that's another thing. We're going to get something to eat, and then we have to go back tonight and try to put together a little bit of a plan and see what matches up best.
Congratulations, Coach.
Thank you so much.
That's Jim Kolawiak. He is the victorious head coach of North Central as they beat the Dutch of Central College 5-0 in the opening round of the Division III Regionals in Pella, Iowa.